Coming up on Extreme Detail Garage, Luis takes on a true American icon, this stunning 1958 Chevrolet Impala convertible.
It's very challenging, many big pieces.
Draped in classic red and packed with timeless curves, this beauty turns heads. But protecting it, that's a whole different challenge.
No patterns in the software. All vehicles are not very good candidates for PPF, usually because of the paint job.
With a vehicle this vintage, there are no computer-cut templates. That means no shortcuts. When it comes to disassembly on a car like this, every move has to be calculated. So instead of removing emblems and trim, Luis is forced to work around it all.
The right way was just to remove the emblems, but it's a very old car. Some emblems are basically original from the vehicle. They can break when you're doing all of this, and I don't want to really remove it at all.
So sit back and watch Luis work his magic on this iconic beauty. All that and more, right here on Extreme Detail Garage.
I'm Luis Guevara. I've been in the car detail industry for over 20 years. He's the master of the wraps, I'll tell you that right now.
You need to go down.
Alongside my team, we work in some of the coolest vehicles on the road, from luxury sport cars to monster trucks and timeless classic rides. No job is too big, no detail is too small. When it comes to paint protection film, ceramic coatings, and custom wraps, we do it all. This is Extreme Detail Garage. If it's a full body wrap, I kind of hesitated that I wanted to do it, but the customer was insisting that he wanted to have the protection. So, I mean, what a cool video. 1958, Impala. Very old vehicle, no patterns in the software, no patterns on the, where we get our cuts. It's very challenging, many big pieces. Most detailers, most installers doesn't want to really mess with this. It's just because there's so much liability into it. So that's where skills and practice and risk come in place. I'm pretty risky, so I start thinking, should I do it? Don't do it. But I love the challenge. And this vehicle is super special. And if you see it on the road, it's very hard to not look at it. And I decided to take the challenge and go get the car. But here what we're working on is trying to get the emblem on less pieces possible. It's gonna take a little time for me to kind of knock this out here, but it will be done. You can peel paint by adjusting the PPF. It can be not very good. So that is the reason why most people doesn't do those for that reason, because they know that they can take a chance. The customer knows about this, okay? So I'm not taking a chance on a $200,000 vehicle if the customer doesn't understand the risk. The hard part about this one is that we're not gonna be able to remove the door handle because the customer understands that is a chance that we might not gonna find the gaskets, and he needs the car for a car show. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to work with it, and it's gonna have a small seam. It's gonna have a small seam on it just because of the fact that we didn't remove it. What I'm doing is I'm trying to use all the pieces that I have in the shop, so that way I don't have to cut much on pieces. The idea to do this installation was basically to do it all in one solid piece, but it was impossible. The car had some very old accessories and we couldn't remove it. And because there's no accessibility to those accessories in the market, we didn't want to take the risk to break it and not be able to replace it right at the moment. So what we did, we tried to make those cuts the best that we could, letting know the customer exactly what he's expecting, because that's the only way to do it. Making sure that the customer expectations was on point before we do any cutting on the vehicle. The final product is there. You can see how the car looks. It's beautiful. The gloss is insane. This Lumar film that we're using here at Extreme Detail Garage, it gives me the confidence that if something happened with the car, in 10 years, I'm gonna get covered, my customer's gonna get covered. So if you have a collectible, if you have a toy that you love, if you have a vehicle like this one, don't hesitate to come and get a free quote or free observation. Let's enjoy and love vehicles together. Hey guys, if you like this full PPF wrap on this beautiful Chevrolet Impala, be sure to hit the like, subscribe, and turn on all your notifications so you don't miss the next fun and exciting project we got coming your way. I'm Luis Guevara, and we'll see you right here at Extreme Detail Garage. See you soon.